Hey everyone, it's Bree. I'm super excited to share this unboxing with y'all today. I am going to be unboxing the January 2022 Hip Kit Club kits. The kits this month are all exclusive. The collection is called Kaleidoscope and it is designed by both Kim Watson and Kimberly Hutchison. I will have a link to the Hip Kit Club website down below in the description box. So I'm going to quickly go through this, and it's so funny. I made it through filming 3 of these kits and realized that I thought I pressed record and I didn't. So you'll see a few things already opened up, but I do have a new setup in my room. I'm trying something out. I have my lights in front of me. I rearranged my room, so hopefully this works okay. I usually have my glass mat on my desk, and I have to figure out my tripod situation because it's not fitting and it'll be crooked. So that's why you're looking at my desk right here that has like half contact paper on it and the other half doesn't, or the middle doesn't, because this is where my mat usually goes. Okay, so anyways, here are the exclusive papers. They are gorgeous, and as much as I love like fall and Christmas and all of those fun things towards the end of the year, I am so ready for the brights, the pastels, the pretty colors, the rainbows, like all of that. And Kaleidoscope just hits home, and it is just fabulous. Okay, so this one is called Spectacular. This is the A side, oops, and this is the B side, this really pretty pink stripe. This one is called Sensational. Go, so pretty. I'm loving the florals. I love the like black and white pops here and there. This one is called Resolution. You can totally fussy cut those florals out. This one is called Intrigue, like just cutting it and adding stitching to this one. This one's going to be really fun to play with. I love it. I love all the graphics. This collection is so pretty. This one is called Incredible, and here's the B side. Super fun. This one is called Imagine. Gorgeous. My goodness, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with these kits. This one is called Expectation. Really pretty. This one is called Dream. This one is called Delightful, and it really is. It's really delightful. Oh, so pretty. And then this last one is called Captivating, with these really pretty diamonds, and then this tone-on-tone purple. So these are the papers in the main kit. Here, now this is something that I've already opened. We do get 7 of these cardstock fringe pieces that I've already opened, but they are so pretty. They have this gorgeous watercolor look. Sorry. We get 7 of them. So if you don't have fringe scissors, if you don't want to mess with like cutting it yourself, they're already ready for you. You can layer them. You can stack them from top to bottom on your page. They're just really fun layering pieces. So there's that, and I think some of them are stuck together, so I can't show them all. So those are the cardstock fringe pieces. We also get these super cute faux wood chipboard shapes. So it's chipboard, but it's made to look like they're wood veneer. So really cute, and it's got some silver foiling on some of them. I love that. Here are the, excuse me, the exclusive ephemera. And I had taken one out because I love the font and how this looks. It's just so pretty and cute. So you get some great phrases, some great icons, lots of fun. We also get these chipboard stickers. Great phrases, hearts, florals. These stacked teacups are cute, like little cake. I love it. And then, oh, here's one of those fringe pieces. And then we get some puffy alphas in black and white, and they are so fun. Okay, so that is the main kit. Here's the embellishment kit. We get some chipboard frame stickers, and then you get the inside pieces that are phrases. We get these gorgeous exclusive ephemera pieces, so lots of great florals, and I think we get 80. So there's 80 pieces in here. So many. Oh, I love them. This is one that I'm super excited about. Like as a kid, I'm sure most of you remember like the Spirograph toys where you put your pen in that little wheel and then you turn it and then it creates these fun designs. My favorite is these are black and white, but they're also small, so they make great layering pieces. We also get some of these gorgeous little cups and some tabs. These are so fun. These are called photo, I had the packaging. Photo overlays, and they're acetate, and they have little phrases on them. So there's a few here that I'll just put on my desk. Make sure you can see. This is like a whole new setup to me. I don't know if my lights are gonna stay there. I don't know. I just needed, I like wanted to film this so that it can go up so you guys can see it, and then also so that I can play with these gorgeous kits. So yeah, so the last few have little like confetti pieces. So yeah, you could totally put these on top of your photos with little phrases. You could sew them to your photos and add like sequins or beads or fun little things to make a little shaker pocket. So those are the acetate photo overlays. And then we also get these clear stickers that look like mixed media, and those are super fun and handy to have. So yeah, this is the embellishment kit, and it's so, so pretty. Here is the Pocket Life kit, and I'll just lay the Pocket Life cards on my desk so you can just get a little overview of all the cards that you get. And these cards are perfect to obviously do pocket scrapbooking, to put in your planner. You can punch holes through them and make a fun mini album. They're great as like little dashboards for your planners, mats. You can take your punches and punch out little shapes. You can fussy cut these little squares and add them as little pieces to your whatever you're working on. They're just great. I love getting the Pocket Life kit because it's just so fun, and all the different sizes of the cards. So you can punch these and put them, you know, like in your planner, or if you're memory planning. These are great. So here are all the exclusive Pocket Life cards. We also get puffy stickers in the Pocket Life kit. So lots of fun phrases. This is fabulous. They're more puffy stickers, but they are sequin puffy stickers. So, and then they go from like dark to light. So you get ombre, different colors. You get tassels and these little pom-poms and these cute little fun stars. And hopefully the light, they look a little bit more darker on, or more dark on my camera, but hopefully it shines through. All right, so here are the cardstock stickers that we get, and I love that. It's weird not to be weird. Oh, look at that. I just saw Dog Kisses Fix Everything. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So those are the stickers. And then we get some clear stickers, which are fun. So that great font again, and then some phrases, and then some fun designs here. And then here are the puffy alphas that we get in purple. Lots of fun. And it looks real dark on my screen. Okay, so that is the Pocket Life kit. I can clean this up quickly so I can move on and show you guys the other stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to move fast so that I can show you guys the last few things. Okay, so here is the color kit. We do get 3 different stencils. So we get 2 regular stencils, but then we also get a stitching like template so that you can use the guide to poke the holes into your paper, and then you can sew. So super fun. Got 3 whole stencils. That's so awesome. So you get the stitching stencil, and then these fun stencils right here. I love them. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play. And then we get some shimmers. So we have a Vibes in Frostbite, which if you know me, if you're familiar with my channel, this is probably my favorite blue. I love Frostbite. And then shimmers in Winter's Mist. And shimmers is the original shimmer, so it does already have liquid in there. You just need to mix up all the shimmer at the bottom. And then lastly, an Inklings in Plum Crazy, which is a gorgeous like purple shade. So gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so that is the color kit. And this month, whoops, got things rolling away. This month they have 3 different die sets. So this is the first one. This is just circle dies. And they're nested, so you have different sizes. And then we have the fancy mixed metal dies with phrases. I guess I could. There you go. So you have a hello, that heart, hooray, love you, and the flowers, a tab, and then a balloon. And then these are stitched, or a few of them are stitched. And then this one is the nested hexagon stitched. 2, 3, yes, sorry, together. Anyways, okay, so those are the 3 die sets that you can get. Okay, so here are the paper basics. So this is the cardstock kit. And what's super fun is that these are all still Hip Kit exclusives, and these are Hip Kit essentials. So we get corn flour, denim, grape jelly, so cute. We get iceberg, nickel, which is a pretty gray, peach fuzz, bluebird, candy floss. So gorgeous. And then we get it again. So these are, it's like the cardstock kits, but they're all exclusives and they are Hip Kit Club essentials, which is so exciting. I love it. So pretty, and it's double-sided. And that's the B side. I guess I could show you. Yeah. So same thing, but you get little dots on the other side. So I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now the paper kit, I don't think that there's anything different in the paper kit that we don't get in the main kit. So I'm not going to show that. But yes, that's everything. I am so excited to use all of these gorgeous dies, the kits, the color kit, the Pocket Life kit, the main kit, everything. Like, these kits are just jam-packed full of gorgeous exclusive products. So yes, I will, like, once again, I will link everything in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.